war started in Ukraine, life has changed dramatically. Our children have witnessed all the horrors of war. Ukrainian pupils don't want to see the ruins of their homes. They're not ready to hear about the death of their brothers and fathers. They're anxious, being in constant expectation of some kind of a threat to their life, often confused, disoriented, frightened by the familiar terrifying sounds like air raid alarms or explosions of missiles and shells. At the same time, the staff of the Living Word Lyceum understand that if we stop teaching children during the war, it's like a crime. So we live, teach, educate, help, organize various therapeutic activities. Together with the affected children, we rejoice and grieve, mourn and enjoy. We live the war with the different states and emotions. Living Word Lyceum accepts the challenge to serve the most vulnerable groups of the population, restoring their life potential. Every teacher asks the following questions. How can I help grieving families to overcome emotional pain? What can I do to reduce children's anxiety and fear? How can I create such psychological atmosphere in the lesson that it has a healing therapeutic effect? Music, puppet theater, crafts, art therapy. These are the treatment tools that our team uses when dealing with the affected children in order to restore their desire to learn, fight for life, and be entitled to a decent childhood. However, we understand that during wartime, not only academic knowledge is important, but also spiritual truths of the greatest teacher of mankind, Jesus Christ. We need his embrace, peace, and protection. We wish peace for Ukraine, peace in the heart of every Ukrainian. Prayer and singing encourage our spirit. The Word of God strengthens our faith, and the Lord's love is our shelter.